Now I see numbers. And I know that I'm recording. Apparently on the YouTube app that allows you to do capture, there are no numbers to tell you that some time has lapsed during a video capture. So now, we're at the end of Foot Street. I don't know if you can see that. Apparently that doesn't tap to zoom. So we're at the end of Foot Street, on my motorcycle, getting ready to go to Luzerne. Not wearing a helmet, because I wanted the cool breeze in my hair. But now it looks like rain. And I'm going to go anyway. Here we go. Ready? First gear. Of course, we're on Minor Street. The roads are wet and I'm in white. Oh well, I can wash my clothes later. Stop sign coming up. Stop to the right. Going right. Down here. 125. Here's the silk mill. I should have gotten a job at when I first moved here. Being that I worked at a mill and dyed blankets. So I may have been able to get a job in the dye house. Comes a red car. Making the turn. Heading to Luzerne to do a little work on the house. Shut off the air conditioner. There's St. Nick's, or St. Peter's rather. But now it's just a church. They do a Saturday service in the local Plains meat market. I gotta make a turn here. Stand by. Damn, I almost dropped my iPod. We're coming towards the center of town. There's Sheehan's Pharmacy. Here's where the cooks live. Up here we have the Cook's Business, which is an antique store. You got the stoplight. Got a new Turkey Hill. Here, we're on Carey Street now. There's the old Plains